Unplugging for inner clarity. This morning, dear Sagittarius, take a moment to reflect on how often you reach for your screens. The demands of work, social media, and the pull to stay connected may cause you to overlook the beauty of the world happening around you. As the moon transitions into Scorpio, you're encouraged to seek quiet and tune into your own truth. Take this time for introspection, examining the cycles you're caught in, and aim for a brighter, more positive path moving forward. Venus and Saturn lend their support, reminding you it's okay to nurture yourself through this journey of self-discovery and recalibration.